Hello friends, मैं डॉक्टर रुचिका गर्ग, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड gynecologist, and today we'll be discussing the most required topic, that is diet in PCOS. So many times the PCOS women are obese, that is they have more body weight, they are in high BMI and they are advised weight loss by the doctor. So what all things we require to reduce weight and what all kind of food we should eat. So one thing I would say that we have forgotten to differentiate between hunger and temptation. We eat according to our timetable, that this is my dinner time, this is my breakfast time, this is my lunch time. So eat only when you are hungry, and preferably eat 3 to 4 hours before you sleep, because if you eat just before going to the bed, it is going to increase your weight and it is totally unhealthy and it will cause acidity and other problems to you. Always make a habit of walking in the evening after your dinner. And previously our ancestors used to get food only after 3 to 4 hours of their wake up, and after sunset there were no refrigerators or food storage facility was not available, so everything they used to take was between they had to search for the food, no? So between that 8 to 10 hours period, that is the same as intermittent fasting which we are promoting. We have to go to our primitive times. So our food should be, we say that it should be a balanced diet, which should contain carbohydrates, proteins, fats. So I would suggest the same, because when you're living in a family, many times it's not possible to go for a totally fat-free diet or a totally carbohydrate diet. So your whole plate, take half of what is required at first and then you can take subsequently. So include all the things which are coming like green leafy vegetables, fruits, vegetables, dal, pulses, rajma, chole if you are a vegetarian, and then bajra, ragi, gehu, pulses, and this rice, oats, a little bit of milk and curd, and eat only when hungry. And intermittent fasting is a good thing. Prefer plant-based diet over animal diet, because plant-based diet, our alimentary canal has been made for that. And take all the seasonal fruits and vegetables. I would not suggest take cold storage fruits and vegetables, because they don't have that nutritive value as compared to the seasonal fruits and vegetables. And all the local fruits which are available, local vegetables, they are good for you. Drink plenty of water, and after food intake, after your lunch or dinner, take a gap of around half an hour between your dinner and your water intake, and avoid all kinds of processed foods, processed juices, canned foods. So for this, minimize your visits to the supermarket, because once you go to the supermarkets, you will definitely buy these junk foods, because now the incidence of cancer, PCOS, obesity is also increasing because of the presence of these xenoestrogens, and these the plastic and all, they have entered our food chain and they are causing our kids to be obese. So so avoid all these maida and take this thing, and store food preferably in this thing, steel or glass or copper, and avoid plastic, as I always do for so many years. And canned foods, canned juices, they are for preserving this, they contain high amount of sugar. So instead of binging on these ready-made juices, go for fresh juice if you want, and whatever is available near you, take that, and cook less. So take the food in the natural form. Overcooking it kills all the vitamins and minerals in the food and in the vegetables. So minimum cooking is required, and you should be mindful while eating. If you are using your mobile telephone while eating, then it's not going to the satiety center in your brain. It should be satisfied that I have taken food. So give full time to your meal, at least 25 to 30 minutes, because chewing is also important. If we chew the food, then the information goes to the brain that the person is eating, and so the filling of the plate is important, and then chewing and giving time. Sit in a silent place. Our Rishi Munis used to say that they don't speak to anyone while they are eating, so that's also good, because your disturbance is not there. I would suggest avoid alcohol because it is total plain calories, and along with that you are using some junk food, so it adds to your calories, and mostly is taken in the late night parties, so it will disturb your system. And always eat with a gratitude, and differentiate between your hunger and your temptation, because you go to let us sit over a cup of coffee, and we are roaming in the market, so let us have a golgappas whenever even if you are not hungry, then also we are eating. So that habit should be avoided. Make exercise, yoga a part of your life. Exercise can be in any daily activity, like you can do cycling, yoga, you can dance, do giddha, any cultural fast dance, walking. It will make friends who will call you, let us go for walking, go for cycling with your kids. You will have some fresh air, and also your weight will be reduced. And so if you like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more such information. And if you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section.